Welcome to the Jayson Law Group LLC's video series on the legal aspects of starting a small business in New Jersey. My name is Lauren Schrager-Peglis. I'm of counsel with the firm. Today's topic, employee hiring and firing. Now, before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice or create an attorney-client relationship. You have now become the proud owner of a legal business entity in New Jersey. In order to have your business function the way you would like it to function, you need to hire employees. New Jersey has some rules that you must follow. One of the unique fact of New Jersey is that we are an employment at will state. What this means is that an employer does not have to have a contract with a person to have that person be an employee. But once they're an employee, they can only be fired for what's called just cause. Now, because you need to hire people before we fire people, we'll discuss the hiring process. Every business is unique, and the business owner has a list of requirements it needs its employees to exhibit, whether it's computer knowledge or able to cook or being on time at a certain time and place. All of these are important to a business, and they are perfectly legal requirements. What is not legal is to discriminate against a protected class in New Jersey. So when you write an application or interview a person, there are certain questions that you may not ask. Anything that may lead to information that would discriminate against the following categories I'm going to name. This includes race, religion, creed, color, national origin, ancestry, marital status, civil union status, domestic partnership status, affectional or sexual orientation, sex, gender identity or expression, disability, or due to liability of being in the armed forces. All of those categories may not be brought up in an interview or written for information on an application. So your requirements, if you need someone to lift 150 pounds every day, then that is a legitimate requirement for your employee. And you may ask, can you lift 150 pounds on a regular basis? What you cannot say is, oh, you are a woman, you can't lift that. Or you're an old person, you can't do that. No, if they say they can do it and prove that they can do it, it is not an issue. This is laws to prevent an employer from discriminating against a person for no valid reason. Now, once you've hired the people and you've got your business going, sometimes even in the best of conditions, you have to fire someone. Remember that term, just cause? Just cause is for a good business reason. Some of those business reasons may be if a person is not living up to their requirements. In other words, you said you have to be at work at 7 o'clock, they don't show up at work at 7 o'clock. Or you've caught them stealing, or you've found that they're not following proper company procedures. Those may be just grounds for just cause firing. What some of the things that have been looked at as far as discriminatory practices are age and compensation. You cannot fire someone because of their age, whether they're too old or too young, or if one person makes, say, 50% more than the other employees. You have to look deeper. If you are going to fire someone, you have to have a legitimate business reason that's considered a just cause. You want your business to function in the most efficient manner so that it manifests your dream. Until next time, stay informed and be profitable.